A lot of drivers' morning commute southbound was a little longer this morning, to say the least. A delivery truck crash caused a portion of I-79 southbound in Mon County to close for nearly 9 hours. 911 officials say that it happened just after 6 a.m. at the mile marker 145, that's near Goshen Road, where all of that road work is happening at the present time. Officials say that a FedEx truck was hauling 2 trailers. One of those trailers flipped over a construction barricade. Both southbound lanes were closed. One lane was opened up again around 10 a.m. Both lanes completely opened just before 3 o'clock. Luckily, no injuries were reported.